This is called lost wax casting. An artist, April Jane Mundy, sculpted this ring out of wax, which is a long process by itself. Now I attach the sprues to the wax model. Sprues do 3 jobs: support the model during the investment stage, which is encapsulating the ring and sprue structure in a heat-resistant plaster, provide a path for the wax to flow out and a path for the molten gold to enter the evacuated mold. This cylinder completes the vessel for pouring in the liquid plaster. The plaster comes in powder form. Just add water, mix under a vacuum, and pour into the flask under a vacuum too to eliminate all the air bubbles. The plaster has hardened and burnout can begin. The dot in the center of the funnel-shaped end is the main sprue. The little dot at the outside is a gate to allow air to leave ahead of the molten gold. Burnout temperature, 1350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the fun begins. The casting is done in a vertical axis centrifuge. It generates lots of horizontal gravity that forces the molten gold into the cavity left by the evacuated wax. That's why it's called lost wax process. The gold is melted with a hydrogen-oxygen flame. Very hot. So the flask is cooled enough now to quench in water. Just take it out of the centrifuge, down into the water. Ka-wham! All the plaster explodes away from the casting, and voila! There's a 14-karat gold casting, ready to polish. The die is cast.